Hey, all right, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna see how we can design this progress bar. So let's get started. The very first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this rectangle and we'll make the height and width of this rectangle around 10 pixel width and 10 pixel height. And let's zoom it bit around 400%. Perfect. Now we're gonna add background color to this rectangle. Let's take right now this red color, and now we're gonna add frame to this rectangle. Sorry, now we're gonna add auto layer to this rectangle. We'll press shift A to add the auto layout to this rectangle. Let's fix this padding by 2 pixel from top and bottom and 2 pixel from left and right. Now we'll make the width around 200 pixel. Perfect. Now let's round this. Let's add one background color inside this frame, white. Perfect. Now let's round the corner by 32 pixel. Now we'll duplicate this frame again. Now let's fill this circle inside this container. So to do that, we'll select this circle and from here we will select this filled container. Now we're gonna add color to this linear color, and this way gonna select this. It's up to you. You can choose any color whatever you want. I'm gonna select this bit light yellow here, and this one I'm gonna make it bit dark, so I'm gonna choose pink color. Perfect. Now the same color we're gonna add to this circle as well. So again we'll go to this linear panel here, and let's rotate the gradient. Perfect. We'll fill here this yellow part. This yellow one will fill here, and in this we're gonna fill this pink. Perfect. Now let's name this one and let's name this one two. Select both of these frame, and from here we're gonna create component. Awesome. Now it's time to add prototype to this loader. So first we're gonna connect this one with this frame, and here we're gonna select after delay, and let's make it 1, and here we'll select Smart Animate, and then here we'll select 3000 ms Smart Animate, and the curve would be ease in and out. Awesome. Now it's time to see the interaction. So we're gonna select another frame, and this frame we're gonna select 320 by 568. This is perfect. And now let's add background color to this frame by, let's add black to this frame. Perfect. Now we'll select this component and we'll bring it here. Let's align it in the center, and now it's time to see the animation. All right, this is all for today. If you liked it, don't forget to hit subscribe button. All right, thank you so much.